All right, today we're drawing a skull. So you need a white piece of paper and a black marker. So first we're gonna start with a little triangle right in the center like this. But don't do the bottom line yet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come in a little bit here, and then another little triangle, like an upside down V, okay? Next, we're gonna do somewhat of a circle, but kind of like an oval slanted, like this. Same thing on this side. All right, and now we're gonna do a big half circle. Like that. And then another smaller circle right here. And another smaller circle, half circle right here. Okay, now we're gonna give him some teeth. So what I like to do is a big upside down U, and another upside down U, and then some smaller ones on the side, same thing. Then we could connect them. And then here we'll do the same thing, but opposite, a little bit smaller. All right, then we're gonna bring a line down from here, kind of like this, another line this way, back up, and all the way back up. All right, let's give them a line right there, one here. Maybe a little crack. All right, and now maybe I'll give him an eyeball. Just like that. And should we do one on this side? Yeah, let's do one here. Like that. One line here, a line there. All right, let's color him in.